Hi guys, welcome to Balaji Academy. Today let us see how to fill the application form for Neet UG 2022. Important dates and fee details. Online submission of application form will be open from 6th April to 6th May 2022. Last date of successful transaction of fee will be on 7th May 2022. And fee payable by candidates will be for general category it is 1600, and general EWS OBC NCL will be 1500. For SC ST PWBD and third gender it is 900. So these are in India, and for outside India it is 8500. And date of examination will be on 17th July 2022. Duration of the examination will be 3 hours 20 minutes. The timing of examination will be from 2 p.m. to 5:20 p.m. And that's all. Please follow the following instructions carefully before filling the online application form. No correction facility will be given at any stage after the registration. Be extremely careful in filling the application form. You can edit or modify any information before submitting each section. Check again before pressing the submit button. So we have to be very careful before submitting the application form, because we don't have any correction facility later. Next, read instructions carefully about photograph, signature, left and right hands, fingers and thumb impressions, and all certificates before uploading. Mobile number and email ID need to be verified through OTP. Please understand that this is a very important step. So you have to be ready with a valid mobile number and email ID before going for the application form. Please download the Sandesh app on your registered mobile phone. Next, choose question paper medium carefully, as it cannot be changed at a later stage. I'll tell you what all the languages they have provided for the medium, and these are the instructions. Let's go for the application form. This is the official website for the registration of Neet 2022. Here, registration for Neet 2022. Okay. Let's click on the new registration. These are the instructions and procedure for online submission of the application form. There will be 3 steps. That is, first register for online application form, and then second step will be complete the application form, and third will be payment. Let's click on this. Click here to proceed. Enter your name according to your 10th memo. Be careful while filling the name. Enter your father name, mother name, your date of birth, select the gender, nationality, identity type. You can choose among these things. After choosing the identity type, you can enter the identification number of that type, and then next comes address. Fill all the details. Next, mobile number. Confirm your mobile number. Email address. Confirm your email address. Be very careful while filling this mobile number and email address. And then permanent address. Next, password. Please follow these instructions while generating your password, and then confirm your password. Select a security question, and answer that question, and remember what you have typed, and then enter the security pin and then submit. So before submitting and send OTP, you have to be sure that, because you should there is no chance of editing later on. Tick all the and now submit. Yes. After your registration details are submitted, then now you have to go to application form. Here, since you have already submitted your contact details, now let's go to personal details. Here you have to enter your name, date of birth, gender, select gender, and then next. In case of girl candidate, are you only girl child of your parents? Select yes or no. Then next, father name, mother name, nationality. Then next, state or union territory from where your 12th or equivalent passed. Next, category. Next, if you are a PWD candidate, do you have benchmark disability? Yes or no. Are you diabetic? Yes or no. Place of residence, urban or rural. Annual family income, you have to choose among this. Belongs to minority, yes or no. Country of residence. Next, do you intend to wear customary dress contrary to the dress code while appearing in Neet UG 2022? Yes or no. Then next, mode of preparation, choose among this. Then enter the security pin, save and next. Are you sure you want to submit this section? Yes. Then next, do you have an Aadhaar number? Yes or no. Then submit. Then next, submit. Okay. Next, here comes exam details. Apply for Neet, and then question paper medium. You can choose any language from the given list. Let's choose Telugu. So if you choose Telugu, you will get Telugu plus English paper. So bilingual paper you will get. And select the exam center preferences. Then next, father or guardian occupation, qualification, mother occupation and mother qualification. Enter the security pin, save and next. Next, here comes qualification details. First you need to fill 10th details, pass status, passed. Then next, qualifying exam, 10th or equivalent, year of passing, rural or urban, place of schooling. Next, board, college, type of school, and the next board. Result mode, percentage or CGPA. Then roll number, address, school or college pin code, and then next comes 11th class qualification details and next 12th class qualification details. In 12th class qualification details, we have these codes. I'll tell you what all codes are there for. Code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to be very careful while filling the code. Enter the security pin. Then next save and next. Yes. And then next, did you ever appear in Neet UG examination? Yes or no? Place of birth, state and district. And then enter the security pin, save and next. Here comes the document upload. First is passport size photograph with 80% face without mask. The document should be JPG format. The size should be between 10 to 200 KB. Next is left hand, right hand, thumb, fingers and thumb impressions. That should be JPG format between 10 and 200 KB. Next is signature. That also should be JPG format and the size should be from 4 to 30 KB. Next is postcard size photo. That also should be JPG format 10 to 200 KB. And then upload 10 certificate, that should be in PDF format. The size should be 50 to 300 KB. After you have uploaded all the documents, a review page will be open. Here they will display all the details you have filled so far. Go through it properly. And then here comes the final submission. After submitting your application form, you need to verify your email ID. And then next, fee payment. These are the sample of images to upload in the online application form. So first, passport size photograph should be like this, where your name and date of the photograph taken should be displayed on the photograph. So next comes the postcard size photograph. Here also your name and date of taking the photograph should be displayed. This passport size photograph, it should be 10 KB to 200 KB and the format is JPG. And even this is also 10 KB to 200 KB. And the format should be JPG. Next comes left and right hand fingers and thumb impressions. Take a paper and on that impress your fingers on the paper and then take the picture of that, then upload it, and that photo size should be from 10 KB to 200 KB. The format should be JPG. Next is signature. On a paper, sign and then take the photograph, then upload it. That same, even the signature should be JPG format and then size should be between 4 KB to 30 KB. Pattern of the test. The test pattern of NEET 2022 comprises 4 subjects. Each subject will consist of 2 sections. Section A will consist of 35 questions and section B will have 15 questions. In section B, among 15 questions, candidate can choose to attempt any 10 questions. So now the subjects is physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. In each subject there is section A and B. So total marks will be 720. All the questions are of MCQ types. In section A, you will get 4 marks if the answer is correct, and you will get -1 mark if it is incorrect. Then unanswered or marked for review will be given 0 marks. Okay. The next section B. Candidates need to attempt any 10 questions out of 15 questions given. In the event of candidate has attempted more than 10 questions, only the first 10 attempted questions will be considered for evaluation. Okay, if you answered more than 10 questions, only the first 10 questions will be considered for evaluation. There will also be negative marking for section B, same as section A. Mode of examination, it is of pen and paper based test. The next duration of the test, it is 3 hours 20 minutes. Next is medium of question paper. Listen carefully here. You have to be very careful while filling the application form, filling the medium of the question paper. If you choose English, you will get booklet in only in English. But if you choose Hindi or any other regional language, you will get a booklet that is bilingual. That is, you will get English plus the language you have chosen. Eligibility to appear in Neet 2022. So the minimum age will be 17 years. So that is people born on or before 31st/12/2005 will be considered, and there is no upper age limit. Next are the codes. So here the codes are very important. Code 1 is a candidate who is appearing in the qualifying examination, that is 12th standard in 2022, whose result is awaited, may apply and appear in the test, but he or shall not be eligible for admission to the undergraduate medical courses if he or she does not pass the qualifying examination with the required pass percentage at the time of first round of counseling. So code 1 is for people who are waiting for their results, their 12th results, that is they who are going to appear or who are waiting for the 12th results. So they have to use code 1. Code 2 is for the students who have studied in the higher or senior secondary education or the Indian School Certificate Examination, which is equivalent to class 12 higher or senior secondary examination after a period of 12 years of study. The last 2 years of such study comprising of physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, which shall include practical test in these subjects. So this code 2 will be for people who have passed the 12th grade, that is 12th or 12th equivalent. And next, candidates who have passed class 12 from open school or a private candidates shall not be eligible to appear for the NEET. Furthermore, a study of biology or biotechnology as an additional subject at class 12 level also shall not be permissible. So what this is stating is that the people who are having biology or biotechnology as an additional subject are not eligible to appear for the exam, and also the people who have studied from open school and as a private candidates are not eligible to appear for NEET. But then here there is a note where it is stating that this point has been challenged in the court. So that has been challenged that students have to be given permission to write the exam, to appear for the NEET exam. So the provisions of the regulations disqualifying recognized open school board candidates and the candidates who have studied biology, biotechnology as an additional subject has been struck down. And then these people, means that is class 12 from National Institute of Open Schooling or state open schools or private candidates from recognized state boards or with biology or biotechnology as an additional subject shall be allowed, but subject to the outcome of special leave petitions and appeals filed by the Medical Council of India. So it depends on the result, in the High Court. So but these people can appear for the exam. Next is code 3. that is for the intermediate or pre-degree examination in science of an Indian university or board or other recognized examining body with physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, which will include practical tests in these subjects and also English as a compulsory subject. This is for code 3. Code 4 is for the professional pre-medical examination with physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English after passing either the higher secondary examination or the pre-university or an equivalent examination. The pre-professional pre-medical examination shall include practical tests in these subjects and also English as a compulsory subject. Next is Code 5. Code 5 is for the first year of the 3 years degree course of a recognized university with physics, chemistry and biology or biotechnology including practical tests. This is for the people who are in their first year of their degree course. The next comes Code 6. This is for the BSc examination of an Indian university provided that he or she has passed the BSc examination with not less than 2 of the subjects physics, chemistry, biology, that is botany and zoology or biotechnology, and further that he or she has passed the earlier qualification examination with physics, chemistry, biology and English. Next is Code 7. Code 7 is any other examination within scope and standard last 2 years of +2 study comprising of physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, which shall include practical tests in these subjects, is found to be equivalent to the intermediate science examination of an Indian university or board taking physics, chemistry and biology or biotechnology including practical tests in each of these subjects and English. So these are the 7 codes. Go through these 7 codes. We'll provide this PDF in the Telegram group. You can go through this PDF and decide what code is for you and then fill that in the application form. Be very careful while filling the code because you cannot edit after submitting the application form. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to Balaji Academy and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates.